Easy gay oven. I beg your pardon.
Never got too many words for me. Just here to make sure I see. Baby, ain't nothing wrong with the love that you and I dream of. So sweet. I just say more than your lips can speak. My friends say that they just can't see. Every time I speak.
I wanted to share what I got from the art store. I wanted to get some new pens, these Sharpies, nothing special, and these drawing pens. I've been into like stippling art, and I've heard good things about these pens on TikTok. So yeah, I just got 3 of these with like different sizes, and of course a white gel pen to like fix up my mistake. Like I've been saying, I've been into stapling art. This is like my newest sketchbook, and to be honest, I only have one picture, and this is what I mean. Like I use one, like a Sharpie and a regular fine tip pen, and I just use like a regular pen, but I wanted something more professional to get the job done. But yeah, I've been into stippling art, and I just can't wait to fill up this notebook. I'll keep you guys updated on my art.
It is your time to uncover the shift. Go!
getting my hair done. I'm so excited. I'm getting a sew-in with a 2x6 closure. Guys, I haven't had a closure since 2017, 2018. That's a long time for me. And I'm so excited. Can't wait to see what my hair is going to look like. This is my second time going to her and I just can't wait to see what my hair looks like for grad. And I did my makeup. Nothing too crazy. I'm trying this new foundation. It's a mixture of NARS and House Lab. I was able to get like a sample of both. If you don't know, you can ask for a sample at Sephora. I think you get up to 3 free samples and they give you a good amount, so you can try it before you commit to the full bottle. So that's what I'm doing. So we'll see in a few hours how my skin looks like, because I really want to get a new foundation. My skin's looking good so far, so we'll see. Just like that, I'm back from my photo shoot. Exhausted. I feel sticky, yucky. It's hot outside. Ooh, I look good. I'm happy I did my own makeup because it probably looks a little bit oily, but usually my face look more greasy and more oily than this. But I took people advice on TikTok, and each step I sprayed, literally drowned myself with this setting spray. I need to work more on my concealer technique, but other than that, she looks cute, she looks good, the pictures look amazing. We did like a whole champagne pop and I was able to take that bottle home, so I'm gonna be drinking the rest for tonight. But yeah, look at all this mess that I have to clean up. Not me, but I'm gonna go clean up and I'm gonna go clean this all up. I don't want to. I've been craving something sweet lately, and I'm like, there's so many things going on that I feel like baking. Baking is like my therapy, and there's so many ripened bananas around the house. So let's make banana bread. I found a recipe via TikTok. The name for this website is outrageous. Easy Gay Oven. I beg your pardon. Like, who comes up with something like that's so creative? But the fact that the website is called Easy Gay Oven, I found like this banana bread recipe. It's very easy and looks so good and moist. Ultra moist banana bread, that's the name of it. Seems like I need to get everything because I don't have anything at the house. But yeah, let's go to the store, grab a few things, and yeah. Aquarius, maybe.
I tried to get all up in your mind. It's times at a time that I wanna make you mine. I tried to get all up in your mind. I'm going through the time if it means I'm making mine. My eyes get.
This is my setup. I have eggs, sugar, oil, I like essence and vanilla extra, baking soda. I forgot to purchase my favorite butter, so I found this in the fridge. We're gonna be using that. Light brown sugar, flour, of course. The recipe asks for Greek yogurt.
I do it for you. Still rather always want you. I'll be groupie for you. It may hurt at first, cause I'ma make you work. Put me first in what you need. I know you gonna let me know. I got to get all up in your mind. It's my love a crime, cause I wanna make you mine. I got to get all up in your mind. I'm going through the time, if it means I'm making mine. My eyes, yeah, they really like your smile. If that's the time, yeah, I'll stay here for a while. You give me the really good feeling that I need. Why don't you take the time to really understand? You need, I really want one. I knew that you can't live without her. You know I'm a fucking problem. I knew that I could get it out of him. I really love you. So I'ma do it for you. My eyes behold you. This kitty always wants you. I'm the only one for you. I tried to get all up in your mind. It stops at a crime and I'm gonna make you mine. I tried to get all up in your mind. I'm going to the time if it means I'm making mine. My eyes, yeah, they really like your smile. It stops the time, I'll stay here for a while. You give me that good feeling that I need. Why don't you take the time to really understand? I try to get all up in your mind. It stops at a crime and I'm gonna make you mine. I try to get all up in your mind.
You know what? I finally figured it out. You know what loving you was like? Yo, what you loving me was like.
Sarah, Mariah, Lisa, Georgia.
By virtue of the authority vested in me by the Board of Trustees of the University of South Florida and the state of Florida, I confer upon each of you the baccalaureate degree. Turn your tassels to the left and the right.
And just like that, graduation season is finally over. I want to thank you all for watching. I wanted to come up here. Oh my god, my makeup getting greasy, whatever. But I just want to say thank you so much for watching. And I had an amazing graduation. Thank you to all that supported, that show up. Even like I felt the love through those who weren't here and just watching online. And thank you guys so much. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye. I gotta go to bed. I'm so tired. Yep.